Hi, this is your BGS Michael. Today I'll present various grinding options for wheel hubs. Well, now we're here at the wheel hub. As you can see, quite rusty the whole thing, and you know normally you have to do it with a wire brush. Now I'll show you how the wheel grinder works in action. We'll just plug in the compressed air, are ready to go, put it on, and load it with just a little pressure. So I think the results speak for themselves, super clean even where the rim contact. And that's exactly the point, the counterpart in the rim hole, I will now also clean and show it to you. Here's the inside of the rim, as you can see, completely rusted and filthy, and how easy it is to clean with the hub hole cleaner I'll show you now. Now a few more informations about the wheel hub rim hole grinder, which we have just seen in action. It consists of a nylon fiber. The nylon fiber itself has a diamond grit in the middle. Great piece. The attachment for cleaning the wheel hub, which is also very easy to change. You see, easy to open and assemble by Velcro. Superb in action for me. Stay tuned, your BGS Michael.